Has Madison Beer undergone plastic surgery? Well, so many people online accuse her of going under the knife, and she completely denies it. So what is the truth? I've got the answers for you on this video today. My name is Dr. Anthony Yoon, and I'm known as America's Holistic Plastic Surgeon. On this video, we're going to analyze Madison Beer over the years. Has she undergone plastic surgery to look as incredible as she does at the age of 21? Now, before we get started, I need to let you know that I'm not Madison Beer's surgeon. I've never treated her, and all of this that I'm going to share with you is all my opinion. But I've spent a lot of time looking at her photographs, and I'm pretty darn sure that I've got the right answers for you. So let's start by looking at her at the age of 15 and comparing her to the age of 18. Now, one of the things that you probably noticed by looking at her photographs is that her lips look markedly bigger in 2017 at the age of 18 than she did in 2014. Well, you have to give credit to Madison Beer in that she has admitted to undergoing lip injections in the past. And she also said that she really didn't like the results, so she ended up having the lip injections dissolved away. So I purposely grabbed a picture of her from when it appears that she has had her lips done. And you can see there's a definite difference one to the other. She actually looks like a different person with her lips so big. So I'm glad that she had her lip injections melted away because she really doesn't need that type of absolutely obvious enhancement. Well, the other part of her face that people focus on is her nose. And she has had countless people accuse her of having had a nose job. So let's look real carefully. So take a peek at her at the age of 15 and look at the shape of her nose. She's got a fairly narrow bridge, and she's got a little bit of a rounder tip, and she actually has a little bit of a pinching of her nostrils. And then when we look at her at the age of 18, she has pretty much the same thing going on. Now, I don't think that she's had a nose job before the age of 15. That would be extremely, extremely unusual. And I don't really see a whole lot of changes from the age of 15 to the age of 18. Well, one thing that she has admitted to, however, having an issue with is acne. And she has gone on record and has shown her acne issues on social media. And one of the things that caused her acne, or she believes caused her acne, was using makeup wipes overly aggressively. Now, as a singer and as a model, she has to wear a lot of makeup for her shoots. And she developed a lot of acne issues from that makeup clogging her pores. So the solution that she found is very interesting because this can work for a lot of people, but it's oil cleansing. So if you've got issues with excess sebum, excess acne, using an oil cleanser can help to clean those pores out and improve your acne. It worked for her, so it could very well work for you. Now let's take a peek at Madison Beer at the age of 21. You can see that her lips have actually decreased in size a bit, which is very consistent with what she said. She had her lip injections melted away. But it is not uncommon when people have had their lips done several times that those lip injections can create a little bit of scar tissue that can cause the lips to stay slightly enhanced. That may be what we're seeing on these photographs here. Well, how about her nose? Has her nose changed? Well, I'm not seeing a whole lot of changes between the ages of 18 and 21 here. Her nose pretty much looks the same to me. And when we take a look at her from 15 to 21, I don't see any changes that signify plastic surgery. So my final verdict on whether Madison Beer has had a nose job or rhinoplasty is I would give her a stamp of no. She has not had a nose job, in my opinion. Well, what else has she had done? Well, you can see the shape of her face has definitely changed. Her face has thinned out a bit, it's become a bit leaner, which is what we see when people get older. And she's a very lean person. She's in great shape. She's thin. So this is something that I would expect. So other than really taking good care of her skin and having had a history of some previous lip injections, I don't see any plastic surgery here. So for all of those people who are bullying her and saying she's had work done and you can't look this good naturally, nobody can, well, unfortunately, I disagree with you. I think she looks this great completely naturally. And it's probably time to let this go and leave her alone. So my final verdict as a holistic plastic surgeon is that Madison Beer has not had plastic surgery. Well, what about another classic beauty? This is Angelina Jolie. Has she had plastic surgery to look as great as she does in her 40s? I've got the answers for you on this video right up here.